on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the QSC KC12s, brand new. We're gonna do an overview, we're gonna do a sound demo, we're gonna walk through all the specs and give you guys our initial impressions here. We're in a big gymnasium. We're gonna do some decibel readings at different points throughout the gym. But right now, I'm gonna toss it over to Cody. He's gonna go through the specs, so let's do that.
My name is Cody, and I'm here with the KC12 column today. So, column array speakers, we have a 12-inch subwoofer, and when we attach the pole and stuff, we're gonna do a demo of that in just a minute here. When we attach the poles, it's gonna have two 4-inch mid-range compression drivers and one 1-inch high compression driver, as well as QSC's Leaf Technology Guide, which gives you 145 degrees horizontal coverage and 35 degrees vertical coverage. Back here, you have pretty much all the things you see on a QSC speaker. You have the cooling fan, you have two combo XLR input jacks, A and B, and both of them are customizable. You can set any settings you want on either one and save them. There is a built-in reverb, there is a different types of subwoofer levels. You have contour in here, EQ, Bluetooth, which is what we're going to use today. How you output things, all the different settings are customizable in here. Channel C over here is dedicated just to Bluetooth, and you also have a stereo aux input as well in here if you want to go direct in. And you also have a USB-C output in here, which you can charge your phone, or you can do any of the updates for the firmware when QSC comes out with new updates in firmware. There's 3,000 watts of power, 2,000 dedicated to the subwoofer, 1,000 dedicated to the top, and let's put this thing together and let's hear how it sounds. It comes with these carrying cases over here. You'll get one of these cases with it. Unfortunately, the subwoofer one, you have to buy separate, $100 a piece, not a big deal. They're currently back ordered, mine are on their way. So, it comes in 3 pieces, the subwoofer, the extension pole, and this is gonna be like if you're on a floor like this. If you're on a stage, QSC recommends you put just the top on. So we're gonna put both of them on because we're in a gym. So here's the top pole, or the first pole, excuse me. That just goes right in, super easy. And then you take the top out, put that right on top. All right, guys, so we're gonna talk about how to set up the Bluetooth portion of the KC column, all right? It's really cool. You can stereo link up to 4 of these at once. We have 2 of them with us today, so we're gonna stereo link those. You can actually stereo pair up to 4 units. We have 2 of them with us today, so let me show you how to do that. So channel C over here is dedicated to your Bluetooth, and you can click this Bluetooth button right here, and it'll bring you to the Bluetooth screen. Now, when pairing your speaker, I tried pairing it through this screen, and it didn't work very well for me. The best way to do that, to pair your device, is if you hold the Bluetooth button down for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, it'll go into a search mode. And that's the best way for you to make sure that your device is paired. I come over to the Bluetooth section, and right there is the KC Bluetooth. So I'm gonna click that right there, and it'll go into my connected devices. And it says right here that I am paired up, ready to go. And then I need to scroll down to stereo here. There's a stereo section right here, and I'm gonna link these 2 speakers. That one's already on. I'm gonna hit link, and now the stereo speakers are linked. So I forgot one important detail, and I wanna make sure that you guys understand how to link them stereo now. So we've paired the other speaker. We paired the phone to the other speaker. Now we have to stereo link them. So I hit linked over there. If you go to the Bluetooth button here, there's a link button on this speaker to link to that one. You're gonna hear a beeping sound in the room. That means that they're paired for Bluetooth. So let's click link here right now. And that beep means that you're ready to go.
what can we say about these? We just sound tested them in a huge gym. Wow, they are just loud. They're punchy, crystal clear. We're not getting any distortion whatsoever. QSC, I'm impressed, man. I truly think you can get away with these for events of around 200 people. I can honestly, I can see that happening. They are loud. We're talking 90 decibels almost in the back of the gymnasium.
Listen, I know I'm a QSC guy. I love QSC. I've been with them since day one. But you heard it from Chamber Guy. I mean, these have consistent sound all the way throughout the gym. Very punchy in the back of the room. Again, it's not filled with people. We're getting, and that's only 3/4 of the volume all the way up. There's no mixer running through it. It's just Bluetooth, right? And we're getting consistent 90 decibels all the way through the room.
112 to 115 right in front of the speaker too.
112 to 115 right in front of the speaker. So that's about 3/4 of the way up. They weren't turned all the way up. And that's about my phone volume at 3/4 of the way. So you still have some more headroom on there to give it even some more punch through here, but they're definitely going to be able to help you at your events with setup time. And I think, like Kyle said, definitely for a group of 200 or less. QSC, great work, guys. Welcome to the column industry.
Super loud version of them, the clarity, there's no phasing when you walk around the gym. It just is like a really nice, even sound. I definitely think you could hit 200 kids with this. It obviously is an empty gym at the moment, so his sound might change once the room fills up with people. I definitely would be interested to like check these out at like a school dance, and obviously maybe need some more subs. The 12-inch subs are only gonna do so much. Kids really do like that punch, so definitely pairing it with a sub, but you know, maybe like a corporate event of 200 people, definitely could get away with that without anyone kind of looking at you a little sideways. With a school dance, if you have kids, obviously recommend adding subs, but the low end on these is really good, pretty impressive, better than the QSC 12-inch subs, which I'm not a fan of. Cody knows that. But these ones definitely have some punch, so yeah, I think 200 people, if it's like a corporate event, is definitely something that these speakers can handle, and they're just wicked loud. Like, we were taking that decibel reading right in front of the speaker, and I was like, let's get out of here, because it's definitely could hurt your ears, so be careful with these.
All right, guys, so you saw the sound test here firsthand. Something we did notice though, we were talking for about 30 to 40 seconds and all of a sudden the Bluetooth beeped and kicked off. So when there's no audio playing for 30 seconds or more, you do kind of hear like a beep and the Bluetooth disconnects. You just have to reconnect. Hopefully QSC will fix that with a firmware update. Maybe it's in the settings, we haven't figured it out. Who knows, we'll figure it out soon, but that's something we noticed today when doing the sound check.
Thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure that you like and subscribe to DJ Romantic's channel. Catch you later.
We are going to be posting a video of all the controllers that our company owns. So we have a Rev 5, a Rev 7, the Performer, the Rain 1, the Flex 10. We have a ton of controllers. So the next video on my channel, hopefully, fingers crossed, is gonna be a comparison of all of those and what the best one for you might be based on our experiences with them. So if you wanna see that video, make sure you like this video. Once this video gets to 300 likes, we'll drop that video. So hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We're gonna post a big comparison video of all the controllers our company owns. And then also, we do wanna do a comparison video with these KC12s. So the last thing for us to talk about, the only thing we haven't mentioned yet, is the price point. So right now they're going for $19.99, brand new per unit. So you get your sub, your poles, and your top portion all for $19.99. If you want the subcover, you have to pay $100 extra, but the tops do come in the carrying case. So that's included in the $19.99. So altogether, you're looking at, with tax and shipping and all that stuff, it's $4,200 investment. And that's a really good investment for how loud this system is and how many people it can accommodate. These guys said themselves they think it can handle 200. I think, you know, depending on the event, you might even be able to get like a little bit more than 200, 250. I think you could definitely do a wedding of 250 people with these. Once you're talking about school events, obviously, like I mentioned, you're gonna want a little more bass, so you might wanna just throw a 15 in the car or something, or 18. But these are awesome. They sound really good. They're very clear, and they've got my approval. I kind of want a pair now, so.